one fake parrot, one furious bird, and the easiest victory ever recorded in the history of Feather Kingdom.
Okay, go. Perfect. Perfect. I love it. Keep your arms straight. Chicken's doing his. Too funny. Oh my God.
Some friendships don't need words, just good music and a few happy dance moves.
Thanks very much. That's all right, Tina. Is it exciting, Ava?
The security system may look feathered, but apparently it identifies as a highly trained neighborhood dog.
Sorry.
Hai. Qua.
This volunteer organizes the kitchen. Unfortunately, nobody has ever requested his professional assistance.
Beautiful. Good job, Tim.
Peekaboo never gets old, especially when both sides genuinely enjoy the silly little game equally.
What's up, baby? What's going on? Chicken, chicken, chicken.
So there goes the water bill.
Kitchen organization has experienced an unexpected decline ever since these guys became fully responsible for everything.
And walk away.
Shut up. Quiet. Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Let go. And what have you done?
The Parrots aren't playing around. They're seriously chasing championship titles with remarkable confidence and precision.
Look at the beak on that baby. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. And down.
Hi, Harley. Can you release me? Can you release me?
Some jokes never go out of style, especially when a parrot decides they're worth remembering forever.
You woke up with all the willies.
He knows it's his turn. Hi.
How are you?
Oh, I'm so good. I miss you. I look cute.
Some friendships are measured by conversations, others by quiet cuddles shared between every single sentence.
Can I get a kiss? I love you. Can I get a kiss? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing?
They really grind my gears. She told me that she didn't have to walk them through. And that's not the case. She's supposed to walk them through. That's not my job. That's not my job.
Childhood joy becomes even sweeter, with a feathered best friend happily joining every dance along the way.
So my bird found a new nest. She's nuts. Look at her. Hey, baby, come on. Come out. What are you doing? She's funny.
The owner hears their own voice and suddenly realizes they never actually spoke a single word.
Whoa!
Excuse me?
Baby!
While the spoon has done absolutely nothing, yet somehow becomes today's biggest and most suspicious enemy.
Wow. You're a cuckoo bird.
The parrot entertains himself with the most unusual sounds and mysterious conversations possible. Introvert at heart.
Let's go fly. Come on. Bye.
Да, ты красивый, у тебя теперь свитер есть. Молодец.
They really do look just like cats, except for the minor detail that they can fly. The elevator is moving, yet the snack somehow remains the highest and only priority.
Günaydın.
Their favourite part of the day isn't flying, it's happily chatting with the person they love the most. Gravity wins twice, once for the bird, and once again for the unfortunate surprise below.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
I don't care. It's a chicken.
Every sentence receives an immediate rebuttal from the household's tiny feathered attorney with unlimited confidence. Sometimes happiness is nothing more than a favourite swing, a peaceful afternoon, and absolutely no responsibilities.
Let's go.
It's time the concert began, and the parrot somehow completely forgets he isn't actually a human performer.
Who's a good parrot?
The parrot has exactly one favorite quote, and somehow everyone else memorizes it completely by force.
Archie, what did you do?
Daily affirmations begin, because beauty like this absolutely deserves a little extra recognition every morning.
Good wave. Hello. Good boy.
The parrot patrols every room, offering completely unsolicited opinions about absolutely everything happening around the house.
Да, что ты говоришь? Истерика. Попался. Ой, какой попугайчик, попугайчик. Ой.
Yes, good job. Good job, Rico. Yes, you learned how to do that. Yeah, good job. Good job, Boo. Oh, what a good boy you are.
Thanks for watching along with us. You know we're here to brighten your day. Let us know your thoughts, comment below.